Get ready to work up a sweat and improve your mood with this hormone balancing workout. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel, and let's get ready to balance our hormones using a Tabata style of workout. So I love doing Tabata style workouts, and all my ladies inside my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation, love doing workouts like this because you're really going to be doing intense work for just 20 seconds, and then you get a nice 10-second recovery and break that's built right into the workout. And most importantly, these kinds of workouts are so much fun. So I give you low impact modifications for everything inside of this workout. I did use a pair of light 1 pound weights for this. You could use wrist weights if you got them, but if you have nothing at all, don't worry, you can still get a fantastic workout. So let's get started, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, so we're gonna do a second position plie with a reach up. Let's go down and reach it up, okay? Touch the floor, chest is up. I wanna see your gorgeous face as we come down. You know, I can see you now. Good, good. Keep going here. Down and up. Last one, and good. All right, perfect. Next up, we're gonna do 2 steps to the side with 4 little punches across the chest. Also low impact, okay? So, are you ready? Here we go. Step, step, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, stay low, and boom, 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 chicka boom. Side, side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Really use the waist here. Good. Think of where that movement comes from. Well, I'll tell you, it comes from your core, okay? Good. Take a little breather here. We'll start moving that way first. Good. Fun and easy. I've heard through the grapevine that you guys love Tabata. Out, out. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Good. That's it, that's it. Perfect. Yes. Really feel that waist cinching in, getting stronger, more defined. That's it. Good, we got it. Woo, last one, just make it even. Okay, good. Excellent. Okay, so next up, we're gonna go into fast feet, okay? So this is pretty much low impact. There's no real modification here, so you can kind of go in, and then out, out. Good, in, and out, out. Stay with me, in, and out, out, woo! And in, and out, out. Perfect. In, and out, out. Good, that's it, in, and out, out. And awesome. All right, take a quick little breather here. You know we're gonna do that again, all right? Woo. Oh, this next one after this you're gonna love. So stick with me here. Ready? Let's go. In, and out, out. As fast as you can. Go, go, go. And out, out. Yes. In, and out, out. Good. Stay with me here. And out, out. Perfect. In, and out, out. Woo. I'm feeling sweaty. And out, out. Good, awesome. Okay, good, take a little breather here. All right, this next one I love because it's for your waist, and specifically will work around the wrap around of your obliques. So just follow with me. Arms start up above your head. You're gonna pull down, then add a knee up. Other side, pull it down, lift the knee. Got it? Down, knee up. We can pick it up a little bit. Down, knee up. Really get that twist. Goodbye, bye, back fat, okay? That's it, and up. And up. Let's do one more just to make it even. And good. All right, take a breather. We're gonna do that again, okay? Woo! Feeling the love. Let's go. Ready? Down, knee up, and down, knee up. Good. And up, and down. Pull it up. That's it. Good. Do you feel that? Yes, yes. Woohoo! I do. Down and up. Last one. And good. All right, excellent. Take a little breather here. All right. Next up, one of my least favorites, but we have to do it. High knees, okay? So marching is just fine, okay? Or pop those knees up, okay? Woo. Breathing. I'm telling you, I really don't like this one either. But it's important that we challenge ourselves. That's how we get stronger. That's how we transform. Stay with me here. Get those knees up. All right, good. Breather. Now you gotta do it just one more time. Now, what I didn't tell you, the whole sequence, we're doing another time. So we get to practice. Okay, ready, go. March it if you need to. Totally fine with me. Good. That's it, that's it. Breathe. Good. Good. Abs are in tight. That's it, that's it. Keep breathing. Okay, good. Catch your breath. All right, we're gonna do knee drives. One side, then the other side. So this also is low impact. Man, you hear me out of breath? Let's go. Good, 20 seconds, come on. Get that knee, elbow to the knee. Get that knee up. Squeeze it. You can go slower if you need to. Fine with me. You guys are looking great. Good. Breathe. Perfect. Yes. All right, take a breather. Oh, mamma mia. We're gonna do the other side. Okay, good. Are you guys having fun? Yes? Woohoo! All right, other side, let's go. Knee in. Good. Really drive it up. Woo! Good. That's it, that's it. Good, perfect. Stay with me here. You're doing so great. Woo! Good. Catch your breath. I told you, isn't that so much fun? And I bet you're going, oh gosh, I was just getting started. I wanted to do more. Well, fret not, because that's exactly what we have inside my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. It's linked here down below. And I have something really special for you. I know that most of my community are women like me that are over 40 that want to feel their most fit, their most energized, and really their most fabulous at any age and any stage. So I want to invite you into my brand new free masterclass, Fit and Fab Over 40. The link is down here below. We'd love to have you inside of it. It is an incredible, incredible masterclass, chock full of information for you on how to really get and stay fit and exactly which mistakes to avoid so that you can look and feel your best. So we'd love to see you there. I also linked it up here as well. And we love YouTube, and YouTube is so smart. So they are going to recommend a video for you to watch next. So I want you to check it out, and I will see you over there next.